In today's video, I will show you the easiest way to create AI dancing videos with multiple characters in a single scene and why these videos are perfect for grabbing attention, boosting engagement, and going viral on platforms like YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels. Most creators only show you how to create AI dancing videos with one character, but today we are taking it a step further by learning how to do it with multiple characters in the same scene. I highly encourage you not to skip any part of this process because you might just skip the most important detail to creating smooth animations. There are 3 steps that we are going to take to create these AI dancing videos with multiple characters. The first step is creating multiple characters. I know some of you are familiar with this process, but for the sake of that one person, let's go through the process together. There are many platforms that you can use to create your characters, and there are many ways on how you can create your own characters. The first 2 that we can try out is ChatGPT, and the first process we can use to create our character is by describing exactly how the character looks. Once we are on ChatGPT, on the prompt box, I'll paste in this detailed prompt. I'll leave all the tools I'm using and all the prompts I'll be using in the description below so that you can easily have access to them and easily follow along. I will not read the entire prompt. Let me just give you an overview of what is in my prompt. Number 1, my character is a 3D character, and this character is a girl with a dark brown skin. The prompt also describes her facial features. It also describes her hairstyle, the type of clothes she's wearing, and the color of clothes. Not only that, but it also describes how the background must look. Just a few things: the mode of your character, their skin tone, their facial expression, their hairstyle, their clothing, and the background. From there, just hit enter and wait for ChatGPT to create your character. I highly recommend you twist this prompt to your preference and you'll get your character just like that. Now, once ChatGPT generates your first character, you can use this same character as a reference image to generate more characters. For example, I'll just give it a prompt like this, and my prompt will say, "Perfect. Now give me 2 more prompts I can use to generate 2 more similar characters but with different outfit color, hairstyle, and accessories." You can go deep into details describing what you would love to be different with your characters. Just hit enter and ChatGPT will provide you with 2 more prompts that you can use to generate your character. As you can see, all our prompts are done. We have the first prompt and the second prompt. All we have to do is copy the entire description and paste it into the prompt box and hit enter, and ChatGPT will begin generating a second character for you. While it is generating our second character, we will copy the second prompt that it generated for us and we'll paste it in the prompt box and hit generate and allow it to generate our third character. Okay, now our 2 characters are ready. We have the second character and down here we have the third character. You can generate as many characters as you would want and later choose the best ones that fits what you want to be creating. Once our characters are ready, let's download them and save them into our PC. Now, once our characters are ready, it's time to create an image scene where all of them are standing in one place. To do that, just open at AI and select create image. Now, once you select create image, here on the model, switch it to Nano Banana Pro, but you can also try Seedream 4.5. Just hit switch and select Nano Banana Pro. From there, upload all the 3 images in this Omni reference box. Just drag and drop them here. Once all your 3 images are uploaded, type a prompt that describes what you want to create. For example, we want all our characters to be in one scene standing, just like I did with these other examples. It says all 3 characters are in one scene standing. From there, just scroll down and select the aspect ratio. I'll go for 16:9, but you can use any aspect ratio of your choice. And I'll select the resolution to be 2K, and from there, I hit create. And there are our characters. I really love how it turned out to be. This is so beautiful. This is amazing. They all have the second pose. Nevertheless, we can prompt to any pose that we would want, but I really love how this turned out to be. This was our first image. and this was our second image. All we have to do from there is just hit the download button here to save this image of our 3 characters into our PC. You can do this with 2 characters or 4 characters, depending with what you would want to create. Now that our characters are ready, it takes us to step number 2, where we need some dance moves that our characters will mimic. Now, you can use your own personal dance moves, or you can mimic someone else's dance moves. To achieve this, I came to TikTok and I was searching around for some dance moves that I can use for this tutorial. Then I came across Afronita. Shout out to you, Afronita. I'll leave the link to her profile in the description below and to this specific video. To download this video, just copy the URL of this video and just come to savefrom.net and paste the URL here. After some few seconds, it will display the video. Click on download. If it opens in a new tab, all you have to do is just hit the 3 dots at the bottom and hit download, and your video will be saved just like that. Now that we have our characters and some dance moves that we're going to mimic, it takes us to the third step where we can start creating our AI dancing videos, and the tool that we're going to use is Clean AI. Now, before you begin generating your AI dance videos, this is the most important thing that you must do. In order for you to generate smooth animations, you need to make sure that the position of your 3 characters is the same with that of the person in the reference video in the very first second. Ensure that how your 3 characters are standing follows exactly how the person in the downloaded video is standing in their very first frame. Open any editing tool of your choice. I'm using Premiere Pro, and upload the dancing video you've just downloaded and come to the very first second of your video. Look how the person in the reference video is positioned. This is exactly how we would want our 3 characters to be positioned before we generate a video. I know you might be wondering, how is this even important? When the AI starts generating motion, it doesn't magically understand where the characters should be. It looks at that very first frame to decide who is standing where, how their bodies are positioned, and how movement should begin. By matching your characters to that exact pose in the video you have just downloaded, you are telling the AI this is the starting point. You remove the guesswork from the animation process, and each character begins moving from a stable, realistic position. This is especially important with multiple characters because the AI needs to track several bodies at once. I tried it. This was the position of my characters, and I tried generating a video with them standing in the awkward position possible, and these were the results I got. This was very hard to watch, so all you have to do is just take a screenshot of this first frame. Just hover your mouse to this camera icon, and Premiere Pro will take a screenshot of this video. Just hit OK, and once the image is saved, it's time to make our characters stand in the same position. Just come back to OpenArt and delete these 3 images and just drag any of these images to the Omni reference box. Once uploaded, upload the second image, the one you've just screenshot in Premiere Pro. Once it's uploaded, in the prompt box, type in something as simple as this. Make all the characters at image 1 follow the posture and position of the person in image 2, and just hit create. And there we have our characters standing exactly like our reference video. Now, this will make it so easy for us to generate the video. All we have to do is download it into our PC. Now, once it's downloaded, let's proceed to creating our video. Come back to Clean AI, select Motion Control, and here upload the reference video. I'll just drag and drop it there. Once uploaded, here we drag in the image of our character. From there, we can go directly and hit generate, or we can type in something specific here. It's all up to you. I found both ways to give me the results that I'm looking for. Just hit create. And just like that, you have all your three characters doing the exact same moves, mimicking exactly what was happening in your reference video. You can try it out with a video that has three characters and see the results that you get. You can let me know in the comment section below if you've tried that before. If I do try it, I would let you know as well. From here, God bless you. Let me know if you have any question in the comment section below. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing because more value awaits you. Let me see you in this next video where you can learn how to create dialogue scenes with multiple characters.